Hello children, today I am going to introduce you nervous system. In our nervous system, brain, spinal cord and nerve has important role. Let us study now the structure of a nerve cell. The structure of nerve cell, here you can see that cell body. This cell body is also called by the name cytosol. At the center of the cytosol, nucleus present. Nucleus is the control part of a cell. And here you can see that so many hair-like structure. They are called dendron. So dendron again branched, a number of branches are there. These branches are called dendrite. Here one of the longest part of this nerve cell. This part is known as axon. And this axon is covered by a kind of sheath is there. This sheath is called by the name myelin sheath. And this myelin sheath, in between you can see that a number of constriction. Here is a constriction here and here. These constrictions are called by the name node of Ranvier. And here at the end this axon again branched, and this at the tip of the branches you can see terminal knobs. So then nerve cell, the cell body, it is also called by the name cytosol, and this cytosol there at the center we can see nucleus, and here a number of hair-like structure is there, that is called dendron, and dendron is again branched into fine hair-like structure, they are called by the name dendrite. And the longest part of this nerve cell, this is called by the name axon, and the axon is covered by a sheath, it is called myelin sheath. It is act as an insulator, that means messages can pass very fastly through this nerve cell. And at the end part there are again branches are there, and at the tip you can see that terminal knobs there, and this it is connected with the next nerve cell. And here is a gap there, this gap is called by the name synapse, and in that synapse a kind of fluid is present, it is called synaptic fluid. And what is the function of this nerve cell? The main function of nerve cell is that it is receiving that messages and also conducting that messages and that response. Then after that message reach to the brain, then its response also, this also all are carried by this nerve cell. A number of nerve cells arranged together, then it is called by the name nerve. Let us study now different types of nerve cells. Nerve cells we can mainly, according to their function, we can divide into three. They are sensory neuron, relay neuron and motor neuron. So what is the speciality of sensory neuron? It is related with our sensory organs. So what are our sensory organs? Eyes, ear, nose, tongue, skin. That means helping that vision, sight, hearing, taste, smell, touch, pressure, like this all information we are getting. So then they are receiving that messages and carried towards our brain. That neuron are called by the name sensory neuron. Then what is the speciality of this motor neuron? The speciality of motor neuron is that, so when that sensory, that neuron bringing that messages to the brain, so then brain quickly give particular order. That order carried towards our motor organs by motor neuron. And that third type, it is called relay neuron. It is also called by the name mixed neuron. The speciality is that it at the same time it carries that messages towards brain and also bringing orders towards the body parts. So that is why they are called by the name relay neuron, association neuron or mixed neuron. So they are doing both the functions of sensory neuron and motor neuron. Now let us see what are their differences. So there, according to their structure, location of cell body, dendrites, axons and other functions. Structure. So that motor nerves, So they have cell body and they have short dendrites and a long axon. In the case of relay or that mixed neurons, they have cell body, short dendrites and short axon. In the case of sensory neuron, they have cell body, long dendrites and a short axon. So location of cell body, in the case of motor neuron, cell body, dendrites in CNS, axon outside CNS. What do you mean by CNS? CNS means central nervous system. Cell body etc. inside that CNS in the case of mixed neurons. In the case of sensory nerves, that cell body and dendrites outside CNS, axon inside CNS. So then where is the position of dendrites? In the case of motor nerve cells, dendrites synapse with effectors, and in the case of that relay or mixed neuron, dendrites synapse with other neurons. In the case of sensory neurons, dendrites synapse with receptors. What is the speciality of axon? In the case of motor nerves, end in effector. In the case of relay neuron, axons synapse with other neurons. In the case of sensory neurons, axons synapse with relay and other neurons in CNS. What are their functions? Motor nerves transmit impulses from CNS to effector. In the case of mixed neurons, they connect sensory and motor neurons to form nerve circuits. In the case of sensory nerves, transmit impulses from receptors to CNS. Thank you for watching this video.